Are you a snowbird that enjoys the beautiful weather down south in the winter and nice change of scenery up north when it gets too hot? Then we have you covered. Ship your car or boat with an outstanding company, Elite Car Shipping Company. It can be a lot of stress, and over the years it gets harder and harder packing up all your household goods and having to move again. Let us take that stress out of your life. We will transport your car from up north and then give you a discount when you need to ship it back. Normally it takes 3 to 5 days to ship from New York to Florida, and you will always want to call in advance since this will be a snowbird season and things tend to get very busy. No matter if you expedite the transport because of unsudden news or you're looking for a company that you can rely on for the next 10 years, we specialize in shipping for snowbirds for over 20 years, and our goal and objective is to keep you happy. During the pandemic, we were one of the only companies to sanitize the vehicle before delivery and would always wear our mask. No matter what the season of the time, Elite Car Shipping Company is your go-to for all car, truck, and boat moving and hauling. Give our friendly staff a call today at 888-885-5354 or visit our website at www.elitecarshippingcompany.com.